All right, reflection and refraction of light. Follow along, please. We know light energy seems like a magician. It can make things appear to bend or seem larger than they are. It can even be transformed into thermal energy. Light energy is able to travel from the sun to earth through outer space because it does not require the presence of matter in order to travel. There's no matter in space between the planets and Earth. Light energy travels in a straight line unless it interacts with matter. When it strikes matter, it will be reflected, refracted, or absorbed. You may probably have looked at a mirror today. A mirror is an example of an object that reflects light. Reflection is when light bounces off the surface of an object, in this case, a mirror. When light reflects off of a mirror, it bounces off the surface at the same angle that it strikes. Shiny surfaces like store windows, a metal spoon, and the surface of a lake can all reflect light. Refraction occurs when light energy bends as it travels or transmits from one medium through another. For example, the speed of light changes as it moves from air into water. This change in speed alters the angle that the light is traveling. When the light transmits back into the air, it speeds back up, and the angle it is traveling changes again. This is why a straw in a glass of water, it looks broken. A prism refracts white light into the different colors of the light spectrum. A helpful way to remember the order of the colors is that acronym Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo and violet. A piece of glass with a special shape that can refract light in a certain way is called a lens. Magnifying lenses are designed to make objects appear larger. So if we look to the right, we've got some diagrams of light energy reflecting off that mirror. The prism is an example of refraction, and the water is refracting the light in that bottom picture. So we go to the next slide. Absorption occurs when light energy is not reflected or transmitted, but is taken into the object and transformed into thermal energy. All matter will reflect and absorb light energy to some type of degree. Light that is not reflected is absorbed into the matter. Light-colored objects will reflect more light, while dark-colored objects will absorb more light. Light energy that is absorbed into an object is transformed into thermal energy. This is why it's a good idea to wear a light-colored shirt on that sunny day instead of a dark-colored shirt. When light energy interacts with matter, it is reflected, refracted, or absorbed. Amaze your friends with the science of light energy.